All right, let's talk about something really, really important. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the single most critical setting you need to flip on right now to lock down, well, your entire digital life. So let's just dive right in.
And we're kicking things off with this because, honestly, it's a bit of a wake-up call. You might feel totally safe with your super complex password, but the hard truth is, if that password is your only line of defense, you're basically leaving the door wide open.
So, what's really at stake here? It's easy to think of a hacked account as this abstract thing that happens to other people. But when we're talking about your Google account, we are talking about the absolute command center for your personal and professional world.
Just look at this list. A single stolen password isn't just about someone peeking at your emails. No, it's them having the keys to every single file in your drive, every personal memory in Google Photos, your entire YouTube presence. And this is the big one, the passwords you've saved for all your other accounts. They could even get your payment info. It's not a small breach, it's a complete and total takeover.
Okay, that sounds pretty terrifying, I get it. But here's the really good news. There is a silver bullet. There is one single setting that acts like this incredibly powerful shield against all of that. And you're going to be surprised at how easy it is to turn on.
And that setting is called two-step verification, or you'll see it as 2SV. All it does is add a second checkpoint after you put in your password. Think about it like this. Your password is the key that unlocks your front door. But two-step verification? That's the security guard waiting inside who asks to see your ID before they actually let you in.
All right, enough talk. Let's actually get this done. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to flip this switch on your account right now.
Okay, so first things first. You're going to go to your main Google account settings page. Then, over on the left-hand side, you'll see Security. Go ahead and click that. Now, just scroll down a little bit till you find the section that says How you sign in to Google. That's where we need to be.
And right inside that section, you're going to look for one thing, two-step verification. Now, if it says off next to it, well, that's our red flag. That means your account is vulnerable, and we're going to fix that this very second.
So once you click to turn it on, Google's going to ask you how you want to prove it's really you. And you've got a few options here, but listen, they are not all created equal. So the big question is, which one should you actually pick?
This here is the breakdown. The absolute most secure methods are getting that little Google prompt on your phone, the "Is this you trying to sign in" pop-up, or using an authenticator app. The least secure method, a text message. I know that's surprising, but it's because crafty hackers can actually hijack your phone number to intercept your texts. It's called SIM swapping. So to be truly safe, always choose the Google prompt or an authenticator app. Okay, from this point on, Google makes it super simple. Just follow the steps right there on your screen to link your phone or your app. Seriously, you're just a couple clicks away from putting a virtual padlock on your account.
But wait, don't celebrate just yet. We're not quite done. Once you've got two-step verification on, there is one more absolutely crucial step. You have to set up a backup method. This is your insurance policy, so you don't accidentally lock yourself out if you, say, lose your phone.
And you've got two fantastic options here. First, you can download a list of one-time use backup codes. If you do this, please print them out and stick them somewhere physically safe, like in a file cabinet or a safe where you keep your passport. Or you can add a second trusted device, like your tablet. Honestly, I recommend you set up both. Okay, one final check to make your account truly bulletproof. Just pop back over to that main security page and make sure your security alerts are turned on.
Think of this as your personal digital alarm system. If these alerts are on, Google will shoot you an email or a text the instant something weird happens, like someone signing in from a new laptop or trying to change your password. This gives you the power to shut down a potential hack before it even gets started.
So, let's just pause for a second. By taking these few simple actions, you have fundamentally changed the game. You've completely transformed the security of your digital life. You've gone from being vulnerable to being a fortress.
And this right here, this is the ultimate payoff. Just let that sink in for a moment. With two-step verification turned on, a hacker can literally have your exact password and it is completely and utterly useless to them. They can't get past that second security check. It's a dead end.
Remember that scary list from the beginning? Your emails, your files, your photos, all those saved passwords, your financial info, all of it is now tucked safely behind that second layer of security that you just put in place.
By doing this, you've done way more than just flip a switch. You've secured the very core of your digital identity, and in this day and age, that's a massive win.
And that's really it. You've taken the single biggest, most impactful step to securing your Google account, which means your whole digital foundation is now rock solid. And that just leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Now that your core is secure, what's the next step you're going to take to protect the rest of your online life?